girls, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Mina Ibrahim. Girlies, have you ever tried doing a wig sewing? Like having your wig sewed down with thread and needle? Well, I messed around and tried it for the very first time. Keep watching to see the end result. We started the process by washing my natural hair. I just love that relaxing feeling of having my hair washed by someone else, honestly, because I can be lazy sometimes when it comes to getting my hair washed. Now, after the wash, we went on to blow drying. This felt like a breath of fresh air for my hair, honestly, and this set the stage for the magic to come, which is cornrows. When Melissa's girl was done with getting my cornrows laid, it was styling time. So after washing, blow drying, and cornrowing, if that's even a word, it was time for Melissa to work magic on the wig. And so she started by putting it on and then sewing it down. I love the fact that before making any cuts or adjustment to the wig while Melissa was installing, she would double check with me just to be sure that I'm okay with any, changes that she's making to my wig. And guys, everyone in the salon that day kept complimenting my hair, talked about how good it looks and how nice it feels when you touch it. They made a hot girl blush, honestly. Anyways, when we were done, Melissa gave me some tips on how to maintain the sewing for the duration of my vacation. FYI people, this video was recorded with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, making it the very first video that I'm recording with it. So tell me guys, what do you think about the quality? I mean, I didn't even edit it. The only editing I did was to add this voiceover and reduce the length of the video as well. So what do you think about the quality in general? Do leave a comment below. Thank you. And there you have it, my loves. Wig sewed in, a new look, and a whole lot of confidence. Now, would you like to know how long this sewing lasted for? Watch out for my next video. I'm not gonna spill, just make sure you watch out for my next video. Turn on your notification bell to get notified as soon as I post, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if it's your first time here. Until next time, love and light as always, and stay fabulous. Bye.